Hey, I'm going to show you guys an unusual place to source your items for online arbitrage and how to analyze things that maybe don't have a BSR. Let's dive in. Hey guys, I'm Nate here with Hustle Buddies, where we share tools, tips, and advice for Amazon sellers. Let me show you guys an interesting sale that I came across. So this is over at Verizon.com. Now, this is not usually a place that you would go to flip stuff. Usually this stuff is wildly overpriced. A lot of these phone cases and things, I don't really like flipping them, generally speaking. However, they have a pretty incredible sale going on right now where a lot of their products are 90-ish% off. This is one example. You can do multiple quantities of this. So you can see here, my price is $4. The website says originally 70. That's a little bit inflated, but it is a good amount of money. I can buy this for 5, pull up 10 right here. We found it over here on Amazon. You can see here that it is selling for $55. So even without doing any math, we know that this is going to be profitable, even if we don't know the fees and all of that. Now, I am using something called Ace and Zen right here. This does tell me all the fees, so I can just enter in my buy cost there for $5, and I see all the information here. This is a 700% ROI. You're making $35 of profit. All of the data here matches, okay? Now, we want to know, is this actually selling? We know that it's profitable, but is it selling? There's a couple data points that you can look at. You can look at, does it have ratings? And if so, how many ratings? So yes, this has ratings, not a ton, 58 is on the low side, but it does have some. We look down here at our Keepa chart. Keepa is another one of those sort of need to have tools for Amazon, but there is no sales rank. There's no BSR listed here. So how do you know if this product is selling? Well, you can see down here the review count. We're looking at this green bar down here. We see this review count going up and up and up and up and up. Every week or so, maybe every 2 weeks, it's getting another review. Now, generally speaking, cases and things like that get a review like 1 out of every 100 to 200 purchases. So if this is getting a review every 2 weeks, I can sort of guesstimate that this is probably selling about 100 every 2 weeks, give or take. Now, these are rough estimates. This is not an exact science by any means. But I'm fairly confident that this is moving some. I think if I bought 10 of them, I could easily sell 10 of them. The other data point that I like to look at is down here. You see the new offer count is going up and down. So down here, the blue bar, we see 2 new offers. Then it goes up to 3, back down to 2, back up to 3. That's usually indicating that people are coming into stock and then selling out of their stock and then trying to come back into the stock. Okay, so when the blue new offer count is going up and down, that's a good sign. When the green review count, that is a good sign. You can count the number of ratings up here. And if you really want to get fancy, you can go down here to the reviews and just look up the most recent reviews on this and see if they are from the last month or two. Let's see. Most of these are actually from quite a while ago. That's not great, but I'm still confident that if I bought a couple of these, we're talking like 5 to 10, that I could sell through that. So that's how to analyze a product. Now, go check out that Verizon sale. That's live literally right now. This is June 21st here. So go check that out and make sure your items match up. But yeah, get out there and make some profit, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Hustle on.